How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to the best Android apps of May 2023. This time I'll be showing you 8 incredible applications you need to install for this month. As always, I'll be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Did you know Pixel phones comes with a very useful search feature that lets you easily find anything on your phone. You can quickly search through your apps, contacts, web suggestions and even files without having to open multiple applications. Now if you really want to get this useful search feature on any Android smartphone, then there is an app called Pixel Search which recently launched and it is completely free on the Play Store. Once installed, simply open and allow all the required permissions. Here you can customize and select what are the apps you want to search, whether you want to search through all your contacts, files. It even lets you manage your web suggestions as well. Now once you are done setting up the app, just long press on the home screen and select widgets. Here you will find a brand new Pixel Search widget. Simply drag it onto your home screen. Whether you are looking for a specific app, a contact's phone number or a file you recently downloaded, this search bar can help you find anything in just a few taps. Definitely give this one a try. You will find all the links in the description below. The next app on this list goes by the name called Data Monitor. This is a free and open source app that will help you to manage your data usage. Now what this app does is, it accurately measures your data traffic during the day with Wi-Fi or your mobile network. Once you open up the app, it shows you the weekly chart on the home page and you can also check the internet consumption on per app basis. The app also lets you to set up a widget for the data monitor and even send notifications when you cross a certain limit. Apart from all these features, it also has an inbuilt network speed meter that shows you the real-time data usage in the notification panel. And the best part is, it comes with Material U interface which looks really clean and easy to use. Next up, we have got an application called Fingerprint Live Animation. If you are getting bored with the default fingerprint animation that you get when unlocking your Android phone, then this app is what you need. Basically, it provides you with a bunch of cool live wallpapers with different animations for your fingerprint. You get a set of cool live wallpapers with beautiful animations for your fingerprint. You can combine different wallpapers with different animations and there are so many options to choose from. You just need to select whichever you like and then you can actually change the animation position as per your device fingerprint placement. You can also increase or decrease the animation size. Once that is done, just tap on Save and Continue. You will get a preview of your lock screen. Click on Set as Wallpaper and tap on Done. Now when you unlock your phone, you get a brand new animation and this changes the entire look of your fingerprint. Be sure to check this one out. Next up, we have got a brand new KWGT pack from where today's widget is from and it's called Dove KWGT. It has an amazing collection of beautiful handcrafted widgets that will definitely level up your home screen customization. This pack comes with 70 stunning looking widgets and trust me, they all look great when you combine them with a perfect wallpaper. I think these widgets are very well made in my opinion and I'm sure the developer will continue to add more amazing widgets in this pack. Guys, I have recently downloaded this widget pack from the Play Store and it has quickly become one of my go-to KWGT pack when I want to customize my home screen and give a refreshing look. Now this pack is not free, it is paid, but I do have 50 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. At number 5, we have an app called Just Expenses. It's a free expense manager and spending tracker app that will help you to manage all your personal finances with ease. Unlike most other expense tracker where you need to manually enter the category where you spend the money on, this app comes with its own set of categories. You just need to select the related category and enter the amount that you have actually spent. There is a separate tab which shows all the expenses you have actually made throughout this month. Apart from this, the app also allows you to set reminders to log in your expenses on time. I think it's an easy to use money tracking application which is completely free to download. Definitely check this one out. The next app on this list is called In Your App Manager. Even though there are plenty apps manager available on the Play Store, this one is quite different. Not only it is free and open source, but it also comes with a great looking UI with some beautiful animations. It shows the list of all the apps present in your phone and if you click on any application, you can see the app permissions, activities and trackers, which is the most important function related to security. You can also directly launch, delete or extract the APK files and it even lets you to perform batch functions like deleting, sharing, or extracting a bunch of apps at the same time. The app also allows you to install APKs directly through this application. Overall, this app is like an all-in-one tool for your phone, and for the price of free, I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. Next up, we have an app called Tooli. Tooli is a very useful app that contains a lot of essential tools to make you more productive. Whether you are a student or a teacher, or even if you are a developer, then this app is a must-have for you. Basically, it comes with 6 different sections and each one of them contains several tools. We have got text tools, image tools, calculation tools, then we also got unit converter, some really useful programming tools, color tools and more. You can access all kinds of different tools inside this single application, and the best part is you can use them without the need of internet connection. All in all, it's a great app that makes you more productive and helps you to manage all your work in a much simpler way. Finally, we have an app called Web App. This is an app which allows you to convert web pages into an app-like experience. This saves you from downloading large apps on your phone, and it definitely helps you to save some space. All you need to do is just click on this create button and enter the URL for the web page which you would like to convert into an app. It's that simple. If you want to access it directly from your home screen, then just long press on the icon and click on add to home screen. All in all, it's a super simple app that lets you to convert any website into an app-like experience. Be sure to check this one out. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing applications that you need to download for this month. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.